In this video, I'm going to be giving you one of the craziest Temu hauls of 2024. You guys aren't going to believe the products that I got, and the craziest part is that I got every single one of them for free. And the way that I did that is actually by using this exclusive Temu coupon. Where you guys get these Temu coupons is going to be the first link in the description. It's going to be linktree/Temu best codes, and the only thing you guys are going to have to do is just select the free Temu gift one right here. If you guys are on your computer, then select the free Temu gift. If you're on mobile, select it right here. And then once you guys do that, how it's going to work is that when you guys click on it, you guys are going to get a free product provided you guys create a brand new Temu account. Now, if you don't have a Temu account, then just create one and you guys will get the product for completely free. The product is random at times. All you guys have to do is just go on an incognito browser and then get the product for free again. Or if you guys already have a Temu account, go ahead and just delete your Temu account and then wait for at least 2 weeks and then go ahead and reinstall it by using this link. And then once you guys do that, you will get the free gift for completely free. And repeating this method is how I got every single one of the products worth literally over $100 in this video for completely free. The first product I want to show you guys is actually a working dash cam. So I'm actually going to be putting this in my car very soon. And the reason why is because the other day my car got completely totaled while I was asleep in my bed, and it got totaled in my driveway, which was pretty funny. And so after the guy ran off, thankfully, I got my insurance money, and it's a cheap-ass car anyway, and I probably wouldn't have had as hard of a time if I had something like this, a nice little dash cam. Essentially, what this is that if you guys have an older car like me, I have a 2004 Jeep Liberty, you guys can install this on the back of the car and then run it through to the top and plug it in. And then when you guys do that, you guys can actually get a rear view mirror the entire time. Or you can use it how like I'm gonna use it, which I'm gonna mount it to the top of my windshield where I'll be able to monitor my car at all times. So just in case if someone crashes into my car, I will be able to use this footage in court to prove that they did wrong and I actually did nothing wrong. Like, I'm a good driver. Come on, guys. Only one wreck on my record. It's not that bad. And especially considering that I got this for completely free by using the method that I just taught you, it's an absolute steal. The next thing I want to show you guys is this little label maker. If you guys don't know what a label maker is, essentially how it works is that you can type on the label maker itself and it will print out labels for you. This is obviously really, really nice because I have a huge organizational issue in my closet. Like, my closet is an absolute disaster right now, guys. Like, I can't even describe it to you. So the fact that, again, I got this for completely free by using the method that I just showed you is an absolute crazy steal, considering that it's entirely free and it's actually gonna help me out quite a bit. And then the final product is this little trash can. It's a little smart trash can that if I actually wasn't a lazy bastard and I put the batteries in, then it would automatically open anytime that you just hover your hands over it. But I'm a lazy bastard and I haven't put the batteries in because I just kind of leave it hanged open all the time, just like my girlfriend. So it's not really necessary for me to put the batteries in, and to be honest, I just don't care. But as you guys can see, I got every single one of those products for completely free by using the method that I just showed you. And if you guys want even more methods like this, go ahead and go back to the link tree and check out the Unlimited Methods Temu store. I don't own this store. I don't know who owns this store, but I can tell you guys that every single one of these methods hits like crazy. They are 5-star rated. They've sold over 100 products, and especially this Temu TikTok referrals method, the Roblox referrals method, the Discord referral method, and especially this NSFW one are all extremely overpowered. Every single one of these is really, really good. So what I would recommend doing is actually getting the all Temu methods bundle, because you're getting about $150 of value for a very, very reasonable price. But with that all being said, guys, that is the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to click on this video that you can see right here, right now, to learn how to get more free shit. Keep in mind, it's only going to be available for the next 2 seconds to click on.